Honestly, the Orbitrek is giving me a little bit of the stair climber mixed with the elliptical, but it's definitely already giving me a burn in my quads, hamstrings, my glutes too a little bit.
In different, constantly changing directions, challenging your muscles, focusing your mind, and preventing fitness plateaus. Well, now there is. Introducing the Orbitrek X17 Multipath Trainer, the breakthrough exercise machine that obliterates repetition and blasts away boredom with a remarkable 17 ever-changing pathways. Just like the terrain in nature is constantly changing, your body's motion is constantly challenged with 17 unique variations as it combines the movement of many exercise machines into one machine. University testing shows the 17 pathways constantly challenge you to overcome inertia. So, when compared to a traditional exercise bike, the Orbitrek X17 burns a full 34% more calories in the same amount of time. Activate your muscles, burn more calories, spend less time working out, stay engaged, lose weight, look and feel fantastic. Move the way nature intended with the Orbitrek X17.
This is amazing. It seems like a great combination of a treadmill and an elliptical all in one with very low impact.
The quads and the hamstrings and the calves and the abs, the arms, feeling everything. It's a whole body workout.
It's fantastic.
My name is Willie van Straten. I'm the inventor of the Orbitrek X17. Over the years, my team and I have managed to invent many different types of successful exercise machines, always focusing on how to make exercise more effective and overcoming the problem why people find it so difficult to exercise. With conventional machines, the same movement is repeated over and over. People find this boring and ultimately they give up. Over the past 2.5 years, and based on in-depth research, my team and I managed to come up with a breakthrough invention in the form of a dual crank mechanism, unlike anything seen before.